How to change a Facebook page name. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Facebook tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the name of a Facebook page within the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the Facebook app on our iPhone or Android phone, then open up the menu by selecting the menu button in the bottom right of the app. Once the menu opens, scroll down and select Pages under all shortcuts. You'll then see a list of all the pages you manage on Facebook. Simply select the Facebook page that you want to change the name of. And when you do that, you'll see a little menu pop up in the bottom where it says switch to that page. Facebook is now giving Facebook pages a profile. So in order to actually change its name in its settings, we need to switch to that Facebook page. So go ahead and select switch. Once you do that, where it brought you to your Facebook page profile, open up the menu again by selecting menu in the bottom right. Then we just need to scroll down all the way to the bottom and select settings and privacy. Once that opens up, select settings. And then as you can see here, at the very top, it says page settings, select page settings. Now under personal information, all we need to do is select name. And all we need to do is select into the field labeled name. We can change the name to anything we want. Keep in mind, if you change your name on Facebook, you won't be able to change it again for another 7 days. Once you've changed your Facebook page name, go ahead and select Review Change. It'll then show you the current name and then your new page name. And Facebook will actually need to review the change in order to approve it. And this could take up to 3 days. So now you need to just enter your Facebook account password and select Save Changes. And then Facebook will review your name change. And if they approve it, the name of your Facebook page will change and you'll also receive a notification letting you know about this. All right, so that's how you change the name of your Facebook page. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Facebook tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.